Hi, have 5 minutes? Let's play with Lindy's magical shakers. Hi friends, great to see you. Today is Friday for me and the sun is out in Seattle, so I'm feeling extra playful and I'm gonna do something a little different today. The layout I'm making is pretty simple, so I'll just explain my plan for the page and then just hang back to let us groove to this music. So I'm making a watercolor rainbow and sun with the Lindy's magical shakers. I have 4 photos of my daughter and husband playing at the park. I'll include some journaling, coordinating embellishments, matching each stripe of the rainbow, as well as some stitching, and I'll check back in once we're almost done. Enjoy! Alrighty, we are almost done here. I'm going to show you the finished product here as soon as I'm done with my journaling. Thank you so much for stopping in. Hope you enjoyed this avant-garde process video. Leave me a comment just to say hello. I'd love to hear from you, and have a beautiful day.